Welcome back to another video, you guys. Today I'll be showing you how I do this short set. Okay, so I'm doing these nails on my sister's hands. She wanted an overlay, but the nails on her right hand were like super short with no free edge at all, so I decided to use foams to extend this nail just a bit and give them some extra length. So I'm bringing this length all the way to number 1. However, I'd still have to file them down to her desired length. So make sure your forms are super snug and tight. I do have videos on how to fit your forms properly. I'd leave a link in the description box. Okay, so because these nails are meant to be an overlay and a very short nail as well, I'm going to keep the amount of product on this nail as minimal as possible. I'm also picking up small beads and I'm gently blending them into the rest of the nail. I'm gently pushing the bead into the cuticle so I can have it super flush, and then I'm going to blend the rest of the product into the nail. So I left the speed of this video at average because I really wanted to put you guys through the entire set step by step. Now I'm going to blend this product all the way through to the free edge, and then I think I did add a little extra just to patch up any other places where there were like a few dents in the nail. So again, on this finger I'm placing my first bead on the nail bed and pulling it all the way down to the free edge, all the way to number 1, making sure to keep that square shape. Now I did have to cut out the excess with my brush just so that I could take off any excess. And then the next bead to gently overlay the nail bed, and then finish up on that cuticle as well. Okay, so great news, you guys. I'll be giving out free full nail services to 5 lucky people, so just keep an eye on my Instagram and YouTube for more information, and make sure you're following and subscribed as well.
It's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Okay, so we've gotten all of the acrylic laid. It's time to file. I'm going in with the side walls first, and then I will take up the extra length by filing the free edge just the way I'm doing. I usually like to crisp up the nails by filing from my own angles, so I do that by turning the hands over to file in from my own direction so that I can see just what I'm doing. And then I'm just going around the cuticle area, and I'm pulling back the skin from the cuticle so that I don't file into her nails and hurt her or cut her with my file. And also remember to score your files before you start using them, especially when they are new. Make sure you score your files before you do that, before you start using it on your clients, because the edges will cut your clients, and this is no joke, you guys. This is like from experience. The edges will cut your clients. Okay, so now I'm just going to tilt this nails over, and then I'm going to file from my own direction as well, because sometimes you can, when you're looking at the nail from, like from your own view, you can't, like, it looks very perfect until you turn it around and try to see from what your client is seeing. So we're done filing, and I'm just going to apply gel polish. Now I really wanted these nails to be super simple and like very short as well, just what she wanted. Now when applying polish, you want to keep off the you want to keep it off the skin as well as possible. You can always wipe off any stains that you make with your own hands, or just get a brush and acetone at hand. And guys, when I apply polish, I try to take my time to be very careful not to apply like on the skin, and try to apply as neat as I possibly can. Okay, so I'm using this polish from OPI, and it's really thick, and a coat seemed sufficient, so I applied just one coat of this polish. I wasn't exactly going for like a super bright red anyways. So when I'm done with this polish, when I'm done polishing, sorry, I'd cure in the lamp for 2 minutes, and then I'd apply top coat and cuticle oil. Also make sure you clean up the side walls and the free edge, so that the gel polish doesn't take away from the shape of the nails.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
We're through with this set, and I love the fact that it's super crisp. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know your suggestions. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.